Okay guys, creating a Facebook account is very easy. It starts with installing the Facebook app from the Play Store. If you are using Android, just come to the Play Store here, look for Facebook, type Facebook. I've already installed the app, I just have to open it. Now click on the green button to create the account. Next, choose a dummy surname like John Portmo. John Portmo, I think that's a good name. Okay. Now year of birth, we'll just choose, okay, let's go with 2000. These are just some dummy figures for demonstration. Next, choose gender, go with male. Next, enter mobile number. Okay, now I'll enter the mobile number. Okay, click next, choose a strong password. Just choose dummy password here for demonstration. Finish signing up. Okay, I don't want to confirm this email yet, but you can confirm the email or use the code that will be sent through the text message. I'll just go with this other option. I just received the code, now I'm entering it, but I'll have to conceal it. Okay. Yeah, you can choose to save the login info or don't save it, but I'll just save it for now. Okay. Now after logging in successfully, you will be asked to add a profile picture. You can skip the process or add a picture. And just like that, we've already created the Facebook account. Okay, these are the features you can turn on, but just click not now. You can skip. Now with this, you can start sending friend requests, like this one. You can add friends. Now this is my new Facebook account, very brand new. Look at this. See this, I'm already receiving notifications. Thank you guys.